Hey, it's Catherine Pooler here with Sizzix in my newest collection. We have included this adorable little box die, and it's easy to put together, and it's fantastic for so many occasions. We're making birthday boxes today, but think about all of the different occasions that you can use this for. Christmas, birthday, Valentine's Day, Easter, occasions are endless. This is the It's a Party box die. You're gonna get 6 dies. You need to cut 2 of these for the main box. You have 2 different flap choices. You can use this piece for a handle. It also cuts out and has the stitching around the side in case you want to use that for an embellishment for a project. And we have this cute little scallop die. There's also a little circle die in here that is missing from my set here, but little reinforcer for your circle cutouts there. In a previous video, I used the print and pattern tool to create this background. If you missed it, definitely head to the Catherine Pooler Designs or Sizzix YouTube channels and catch how to make that. I need to make sure right side is up and upside is down. You know what I mean. Let's see. That is going to be the bottom of the box here, and that is the top there. So let's die cut this, and I'm moving it to the bottom and side. This little top piece here is going to be saved, and we can use that for another project if we want to. I'm just going to run this through the Big Shot. We're going to go back and forth. Probably one time is enough, but we're going to go back once more just for good measure. And then I need the back of the box. So I could do 2 of these and make the front and the back the same, or maybe you get a solid piece of cardstock. And that's what we're doing here. This is Melon Ice cardstock. For this box, I want a coordinating flap, so we're going to die cut Melon Ice cardstock with the flap. And pretty much all we have now is assembly. You're not going to believe how easy this is. So we are going to fold on all the score lines. The score lines on the outsides go in like that, and then the one in the middle goes the other way. And that will create the sides of the box. So that will go like that. And now for the Melon Ice piece. Now we're going to flatten the pieces back out, and I'm going to use liquid glue just on this tiny flap here. Be careful not to do too much because then it will squish out the sides when you put the box together. Then I'm going to line the pieces up together, press down, and once that is adhered and dry, you can do the other side. So on this small flap, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to run the glue right down the side, fold this flap, and adhere. Now we have our box shape. The sides are going to pinch in. These pieces on the bottom are going to fold in. And then, honestly, this was the trickiest part for me. You have to slide these together and thread each slot, one slot through the other, basically. Okay, there we go. And it stays together just like this. You can have an open box and fill it with tissue paper, or you can use the flaps and adhere those. So let's add this flap on. We're just going to adhere it to the back. How cute is this? I die cut a scallop tag and stamped and then fussy cut a little present from the Print and Pattern Birthday Sentiment Stamp Set. And then I'll use a little twine to wrap around the box and hang the tag from. I wanted to share one more way to use the box. So we are going to use It's a Girl cardstock and then take this piece, fit it right in here, and then we'll send it through the Big Shot. And your handle is perfectly placed every time. And here is the example of the little cutout that you can use for cards, scrapbook pages, adorning your projects. Could do a little hole right through there and hang it from the handle like a little tag. So cute. Okay, and then we'll do the other one. And then it's assembly and decorate. But how genius is this? Fits right in there, perfect placement every time. Now here's that box finished, and I just added the little tag. I thought it would be really cute to use our new embossing folder and send the two pieces of the box die through the embossing folder, and it just came out adorable. So here is a look at the other two. Quick and easy boxes for any occasion. This is now available through CatherinePuller.com, Sizzix.com, and your favorite local retailer.